Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. Now let me get a few things out of the way. If you are a Factory 5 kit enthusiast on this channel, don't worry, I'm keeping my eye on the ball. And as I'm raising funds for the 33, I have a project in front of me now, which is obviously making me real happy and taking up some of my free time while I'm still raising money. The 33 Hot Rod is all built on paper and in my mind, so this is just kind of a breather to keep me occupied. And second, if you've been watching my channel and you're going, what? I thought you warded off C5 Corvettes. And yes, you are correct, I did. All the ones I looked at were beat, total piles, until this one showed up on my radar. It has a few things wrong with it, but they are nuances that I'm going to go through and fix. But all in all, this is the one, and it's totally solid. Now let me tell you why this car is special. I have been doing a crap load of research on 33 Hot Rods, C5 Corvettes, LS engines, 4L65E transmissions, which I'm going to put in my 33, and of course GTM supercars. Like, it's all kind of molded together in my head. And if I was bored on a certain evening with nothing to do, every once in a while I'd just go like, hey, what's going on with C5 Vets for sale? And I just wanted to see if there's some kind of deal or anything worthy of my attention. And then this car showed up. Met all my criteria, plus it was a special edition, and the Hagerty evaluation was just starting to go up on the collector versions. And for the most part, this car is not beat. Great condition, mechanically sound, but my job now is to get it to quasi-show car condition. I want to dot the I's and cross the T's on this one, and have fun while doing so. I will be busting out some Corvette videos and updates on the 33 Hot Rod progress. The kit purchase is getting close, and I need to get my garage ready for the build. I've also been slammed at work averaging 80-hour weeks for months on end. Actually, not an exaggeration. This means I have maintenance on my other vehicles that I have to catch up on. So that might hit the channel too. We will see. But for now, we're going to celebrate that I have this amazing Corvette, and we're going to show you some footage on that. Until next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a